Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we are going to be doing something super simple and delicious like always, but now we are going to be doing some dessert. We are going to be doing a chocolate chip cake thing. I'll show you what it is. But I mean, if you love chocolate chips, cookies, cake, all that good stuff, this is the one for you. And we are going to be doing it in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Now normally I take you to the cutting board, but actually we're gonna go straight to the Ninja Foodi and get this thing heated up. See you in a minute. All right guys, so here we are at the Ninja Foodi XL grill. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And so what we're using, there's no grill grate, so there's nothing inside. All we're using is what they call the drip pan, all right? So what we're gonna do is go ahead and close this up. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. We are going to use the bake function. We are going to turn it down to 325 degrees. Press start, let it preheat. And once it's done preheating, we'll get into the goodness. See you in a minute. Okay, we are done preheating. As you can see, it says add food. So what we're gonna do, open this up. And we're gonna take this out. It's super hot, obviously. Make sure to wear some mitts. We're gonna take this over to the cutting board. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here we are at the cutting board. And so what we're using today is, we already got one cut open. I'm pretty sure you know where I'm going with this. But it is Nestle Toll House. Now look, if you have your own homemade recipe, this is gonna be the exact same way. So we're just gonna follow the instructions on this. I got two of them. Go ahead and open it up. And remember, this thing is hot, so be careful and don't burn yourself. Get all that dough in there. And the easiest way to open these up is actually just get a knife and just slice right down instead of having to open up the ends. Now you can't really see that, but anyway, slice right down the middle, opened up, and there we go, cookie dough, yeah. You know you gotta just dip into some of that and try it. Yum, cookie dough. All right, so we got all the cookie dough in there. Now, what you're gonna wanna do, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick, they're sticky. All right, make sure to get a glove, grab one side of this, get you a plastic or a rubber spatula, and go ahead and get it in there. And all we're gonna do is get it all in there and get it even across the whole thing. Chocolate chip cookie cake. Yeah. And just get it all mashed in there together. Combine both sides and make sure it's it's even. After you get it in there, just kind of smooth the top out a little bit. So it cooks evenly. Oh yeah, and the sides, the outer sides over here, ooh, they get nice and crispy. I like that. Anyway, so super easy. You get the drift, but stick around because there is more. All right, so we got our, actually, grab my other mitt because this thing is still hot, but there's the beginning. Stick around to the end. Try these things. All right, we'll see you at the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so we are back at the Ninja Foodi, and now the pan, it's only been a few minutes and the pan is already cooled off, but here is our cookies. We're gonna go ahead and put them in just like that. We are going to close the top and let it resume. It is set for 25 minutes. Now one thing, on the cookies, the temperature calls for 350 degrees. The book for the Ninja says always cook 25 degrees less than what it calls for. So that's why we're cooking on 325. And the recipe on the cookies call for 11 to 13 minutes. There's a lot more altogether, so it's probably gonna take a little bit longer, but we got it set for 25 minutes. We'll check it after about 10 to see where we're at. We'll see you then. All right, guys, we are counting down. So we are 10 minutes in. Let's take a look. Ooh, oh, baby. Yeah, those are looking golden brown now. Let's give it a, well, I mean, toothpick test is really for cakes, but oh yeah, I can see it coming around for sure. Oh, oh man, that is melty and gooey. That's good. All right, let's go ahead and drop the top on this, and I'd say another 5 minutes or so. We'll check. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, 3, 2, 1. So actually, I let it go for an additional 10 minutes, so 20 minutes total. Let's take a look. Now that looks amazing. All right, I know it's all nice and gooey inside. Oh yeah. Oh, chocolate. Yep, it's done. It is perfect. A little crisp. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna let it sit on the cutting board. We'll cut into it. See you in a minute. All right, guys. So here we are, your chocolate chip cookie cake. Super easy. 20 minutes. 10 minutes check. Drop the top. Another 10 minutes, and you are good to go. Now, since we're using this and it's a non-stick, you do not want to use a metal knife. I was looking for a plastic knife. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use a spatula and cut some squares. Now, after 10 minutes, it's still a little warm to the touch. It's not super hot, but wear a mitt just in case, so you don't burn yourself. But I'm fine here. So we're going to go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, yeah. I'll cut a corner out here. Oh man. And it comes right out. Oh, chocolate chip goodness is what that is. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, chocolate chips everywhere. Oh, you know what? Gotta drop that down. So it's a tad crispy on the top, just a tad perfect. Ooh, that's perfect. And then super gooey chocolate chipness in the middle. So let's take a look and see how the middle is cooked. Let me pull this one out. So on the edges, oh my goodness, just absolutely, this is loaded with chocolate chips. Amazing. All right, now for the final thing, I'm on keto, I shouldn't be doing this, but I will do a taste test for you guys. Oh, that is absolutely chocolate supreme goodness. My favorite though is going to be this corner over here. I love the top is a little crispy and the goodness is all melted. Oh yeah, that's good. Now all I need is some ice cream. The whole house smells like an ice cream shop. Waffle cones, ice cream, all that stuff. So this is absolutely amazing. You should try it. Chocolate chip cookie cake. And that's how you do it. I'll meet you up top. All right, guys, we are finished with the sweetness. Turned out perfect. It all came together, and there was so many chocolate chips in here. Like every bite was massive, melted cookie dough and chocolate chips, and it was cooked perfect. Just needed some ice cream or a cone or something like that. So anyway, in the Ninja, put them in there, 10 minutes, quick check, close it, 10 more minutes, and you come out with something perfect like this. It was awesome. So that's how you do chocolate chip cookie cake in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. Now, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.